Hey Luke, Tom here. I'm going to show you in this quick video how you can generate traffic and leads using Wishloop without needing your own domain or website or hosting. So all the campaigns are hosted within Wishloop. The first technique I'm going to show you is how you can add your own full screen call to action to any page that you share that appears before you get through to the content. So I'm just going to head over to this article on Mashable here, and going to use our browser extension. I'll show you how you install this in a second, but it's really easy. Once you've got the browser extension installed, you just click on the extension. It comes up with this little box here, and then you can select a campaign to appear on the article that you're going to share. So I'm going to select a full screen conversion mat here, just this one here. Hit save, and that's all there is to it. You've now got this special link generated. Just going to grab this link and head on to Facebook, paste this in. There you go, that's the article that's shared on Facebook. Let's just hit publish. So I've shared this article with my special link. It looks exactly the same. It's got mashable.com. When I click on it, it takes me through, but I've added a full screen call to action that's going to show up. So there we go. So here's my full screen call to action that I've got here. So it's just one that I actually had on a launch page. So it's got a button on it. You can completely customize these. Add an opt-in form, videos. I'll show you how to customize it in a sec. Then if you just click through it takes me through to the article. So you can leverage any sort of hot content within your niche to get clicks from social media sites, and then you've got your own opt-in forms and buttons that appear full screen before they get through to it. So it's a great way to use this to get traffic and leads without needing your own website. So let me just head into the app and I'll show you how you create these. So I created that full screen mat using Amplify. So to create these, you just click on New, and then you select a template. So we've got loads of different templates, like opt-in ones, video ones, multi-step templates. I'll just grab this one here, click on select, then it takes you through to the drag and drop builder, and this has got 2 steps to it. So once you click on that button, it will take you through to this second step here, which has got another button. Now you can drag in opt-in forms. You've got different, like so. Just move it around. It's all completely drag and drop. You've got different marketing widgets, Amazon, ebooks, quiz. So you can have little quiz funnels, route people through to different second steps depending on their quiz answer. Countdown timers. Google Maps has got loads of different ways of customizing it, customizing these pages, different buttons, videos that you can add, images. So you can completely customize and make them look really cool for whatever different niche you're in. Even geolocation features that you can add, social buttons, text, and so on. Now once you've designed your welcome mat, you can preview it and see what it looks like on tablet, and completely customize it for tablet as well. You can remove different elements and rearrange the elements for tablet and for mobile as well, and see what it will look like on mobile. So I could move this, I can move the headline down, for example, move the button up, etc. Now once you've created your design, you just hit save, close, and then if you want it to, you can add these welcome mats to your own websites and add different settings for your website, or you can use it to add to content that you're sharing just using the share browser extension. Now to use the browser extension like I showed you, just head over to settings, installation, and then you literally just drag and drop the share icon and drop it onto your bookmark that's like that, and then it's ready to click on and use to pull in any welcome mats or engage pop-ups that you've created. And you just select the layer type and then select the campaign that you want to add to any page that you're sharing when you're on it. It's that simple. Okay, so that's how you can create these full screen welcome mats with Amplify, and then use the share browser extension to add them to any content that you're sharing. So just another way that you can capture leads without needing your own website. So as mentioned, you can actually add these welcome mats to your own website if you want, but I wanted to show you the way that you can do it without using other people's content. with Engage you can add pop-ups to your own website, or you can add pop-ups to content that you share. It's a very similar process to Amplify. And with Capture you can create standalone squeeze pages. So let me just show you that, and then we host the squeeze pages. So just click to new, and this is very similar. It's a drag and drop builder. You just select a template. So we've got different templates for different types of promotion. So say you're running a webinar, I'll select this webinar template, click in. Again, we've got the same drag and drop builder, so you can add forms, videos, icons, all sorts of stuff, and multi-steps. So you can have as many steps as you like. Just click on the plus to add a new step and then customize it. And then once you've customized your opt-in page, as you can see, this has got 2 steps. So first, register takes you through to the second step where you add your name and email, and then that registers you for the webinar. Now, if you want to edit any of the different elements, just click on it, and you can edit in the settings here. So you can change the styles, change the add animation and so on, and change the arrangement and the layerings in that section. So once you're happy with your design, just hit save, close, and it's created a standalone page. And here's the URL. It's already hosted on Wishloop. I just click on that, and there's my capture page. It's all ready to start driving traffic to, and you don't need your own website or hosting for this either. So that's another way that you can use Wishloop to start capturing leads without needing a website. Like I say, if you do have your own website or your own domain, you can actually map this to your own domain, and with the pop-ups and the welcome mats, you can add them to your own websites as well. So any questions, just give me a shout, and hope you have a great promo.